G'day folks, welcome back to the workshop. I'm Aaron from 4x4 East Coast, and today we're going to be installing this beauty on the DR. Alrighty, so ever since I've had the bike, this rack's been on it. I need a little bit more luggage space, so this one is going to be put on it, makes it a little bit wider. Should be pretty easy to install. I'm going to have to loosen off this plate, this luggage rack, undo these two bolts, pull them out, loosen these ones up. I'm hoping I can just swivel it up, because I've got the blinkers attached to it as well, so I'm hoping the wires give me enough that I can swivel it up. Alright, should be pretty easy. I think all I need is, that's a 6mm and that's a 5mm Allen key. 6mm to undo them, 5mm to do these. Now it comes with a little bag of goodies. Now it's got little spaces that go between this plate and the new plate. Comes with your bolts, hex head, countersunk bolts, machine bolts, and it comes with nuts. Alright, sounds pretty easy. Let's get into it. Looks like I've got to take these bolts out. Not to worry. We've got these spacers. I'm just going to sit the spacers above each hole. I'm going to put the bolts. I'm going to carefully line this up. Don't move the spacers. There we go. Go through. I'm actually going to put some blue Loctite on the nuts as well. A little bit of blue Loctite. Just don't want it coming undone while I'm shooting up the trails. These nuts are a 13mm nut. Alrighty, so that's the plate. Before I bolt the rack down, there's the spacers, and that's how the bolts are, the nuts are down in there. Bloody ripper. Alright, let's put our bolts back in these holes, and we're ready to go camping. Alrighty, what a cracker. Alrighty, that looks great. Check it out. What a great product. It bolts up, all the holes line up, even with the original plate. The original plate, it's a B&B off-road one as well. They're an Australian company. Everything I've heard about them is good stories. I bought, that's where these came from as well. The side frame guards on that side, and on that side as well. They came from B&B and they just fit straight up. Holes all line up. good bit of gear from a great company. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell to get notifications of when I upload a video. Alright, catch us on the next video. It's going to be a doozy.